everyone, my husband surprised me with an overnight stay for our 16-year anniversary. And I don't really get the opportunity to do a lot of trips where we actually are going to like a really nice dinner and get to dress up. So I thought I would do a little bit different of a packing video. And this is gonna be, I don't really show his, because that's just, I feel like that if he wanted to do that, I would show it. But I'm gonna show you what I'm packing for one overnight trip for clothing, and there is a little bit of inclement weather possibly in the forecast. So I'm gonna show you what I'm packing for extra, just in case we end up having to stay an extra night, which I don't think we will. But I always pack for just in case. I'd rather pack for just in case. And also, again, like I said, we're gonna be doing a dinner, overnight, and the extra clothes. So here is what I have laid out so far. I was not gonna do toiletries. I will try to find our other toiletries bag video and link it up here. This is literally just what I'm doing. So I always pack in reverse order, so let me explain. This is the outfit that I'm packing as my just in case outfit. If something happens to one of my other outfits, or if we do for some reason get stuck up there, I don't think we will. But again, with it being cold, inclement weather in the forecast, I'd rather be prepared than be sorry. So this is actually, it's a dress, it's a long sleeve tunic dress, but it actually fits more like a tunic style shirt than it does a dress. So because of that, I'm gonna be pairing it with a pair of capri length leggings. I know I just said cold and inclement weather and then capris. I actually don't have any like long ones that I really like. I have like one pair and it's going with me. So I actually wear the capri length ones and then I wear boots with them. I know I'm that person, but I'm also gonna pair it with this. I love wearing this dress with this slouchy. I have it as one of my pictures somewhere, but I love wearing this slouchy with that dress because it just, I don't know, I really like the way it looks together. These are the shoes that I'm taking. These are gonna be for the dinner. I'm more minimalistic with the shoes, try to get something that can go with a lot of different things, but I'm gonna be wearing a black dress for dinner tonight. So I'm gonna be taking the black flats with me. And these are my ankle length, it's a little bit of a heel, but not enough to where I can kill myself. Those brown boots are gonna go with my second day outfit, the day that I'll be coming home, which will be tomorrow, because we're only staying one night this time. We might do a longer stay next time, but this was kind of like just a spur of the moment thing, and I am grateful for any kind of time that we can have just together. And the kids are super excited about getting to spend a weekend with their sitter. I don't want to say who it is because that's their privacy. But this is a long sleeve. It's also a tunic style shirt, but it's got the, if I can show it on camera, it has the flares on the side, and I really love it because I love the ones that are more fitted like around the chest and then flare off right at the hips. Those are my favorite style, and I like shirts that go past my backside. I don't like them riding right at it. This is the my midi A-line brown chocolate colored skirt, and I mean they're kind of a little bit of a dark together, but I still really like them together, especially for it being over Valentine's Day weekend. Which our anniversary was not planned to be around Valentine's Day, it's just how it lined up with our schedules. And these are the only full length leggings that I really like. I've had them for a while. They're not the softest, but they're functional and they'll work with this piece for the colder weather. And then right here, just packing some simple comfy jammies. This one is basically a sleep shirt. It's a little bit shorter than a gown, but it's a sleep shirt. This is one of the ones I got from Kohl's. I'll link that up here. The first time we ordered from Kohl's online, this was the shirt I bought with it, and I had got it on clearance because it was after Valentine's Day and the heart on it. I wear it year round, but it's a super comfy one, and I go for comfort over fashion, especially with sleepwear. And I don't know about you, but like when I'm staying in a hotel, I hate just wearing just gowns, so I packed sleep shirt with leggings. I just bought these today because of this being a surprise trip. One of my other pairs of leggings that I usually wear with sleep shirts, this is the laundry, and I was like, I'm not gonna have time to wash that before we leave. So I went and picked up another pair. I usually wear a 1X, but I usually buy my leggings a size bigger, except for the ones from Amazon. The ones I get from Amazon, I don't have to buy a size bigger because they don't shrink. But the ones I've gotten from Walmart in the past, they shrink. So I bought a 2X in case it shrinks, and also because maybe it'll be a little bit, I don't know. I just was like, I'm just gonna grab the 2X. So I did. I'll figure out if they fit well or not after I wash them. This is the shirt or dress that I'm gonna be wearing to dinner tonight. It's the black one. It has the crisscross right here, but I hate like really super low cut ones. So what I did with it was we bought these, and I think this is actually from Wish or Amazon, and it's a half cami. Like, it doesn't go all the way down like past my stomach, but it's a half cami, and it covers up just enough right here to where it's not like a super low cut, because again, I'm not a super low cut kind of girl. So, but I really like the black with the pink. I've worn them together before. I can't remember if it was a date or if I wore something similar for a funeral. Not the pink to the funeral. I'll have a purple one of these as well. I'll have this in pink, purple, white, and maybe gray or black. But I figured, you know, just the two of us down for dinner. And sorry, we've got clothes underneath that. That's not going. But it's an A-line, and it is actually super comfy. And again, it's long sleeve. So I was almost finished packing up, was putting hangers in our closet where they go, which happens to be where we keep our coats and sweaters, and I almost forgot. So I figured since I'm doing a black dress, I might as well take my black long, my husband jokingly calls them lab coat size cardigan with me to wear with the dress. Fixing to get it gently packed up in here. You can see the rest of it is in here. These are our Samantha Brown suitcases. This is the medium size, not the largest or smallest. And we're also using a couple of the packing cubes. I may, because we pack them down, like we pack the suitcases in the suitcases to store them. The other one, I really don't want to have to get it out because I'm in a hurry. I normally would. Has the toiletries bag in it. So I may just put toiletries in one of these bags. And I don't know. This bag's pretty watertight. So I may just put it in here. This is the one that has all the mini pockets in it anyways, and just put it in there for that. Plus it'll make my chapstick a lot easier to find. Has a little bit of color to it. And then I'm also using this bag to store like memory cards, battery chargers, extra batteries for the vlog camera and all that. And this bag is going to be any little extra stuff, like the bag for the batteries and all that, our phone chargers. I may put the toiletries bag in here as well. And I also wanted to take a bigger bag because we're planning on doing some shopping, just him and me going and looking at some stores. I've heard there's a really, really nice women's clothing store up there that several friends have recommended me to, so we may check that out tomorrow after we check out. And I wanted to just have extra room to put stuff in. I know we'll be in the car, but I'd rather have it like in a suitcase. But that, you know, that's why, like I said, I just wanted to pack extra room to put that in on the way back. Plus, also I can, even if we don't put like travel bags in there, I can separate out and have one bag of what we wore and one bag of what we didn't wear to keep them separate. Oh, speaking of which, I need to go get a trash bag. I always put trash bags in our suitcases to put the dirty clothes in, so that your car on days where you're traveling, you know, for a while, like we're gonna be checking out before 11 and we may not be home till right before dinner. I don't want the car to smell like dirty clothes, so I'll put them in garbage bags first, then put them in suitcases, and that helps a lot with that smell. So I'm not saying like we stink, I'm just, you know, dirty clothes smell. So, but I'm gonna pack this with that, and I'm pretty sure those will go pretty well together. That might be a little bit longer than that, but I'm okay with that. And then finish throwing all this together. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.